warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sally Bintari Indra Putri, standard number 224110 In this video, I will explain about the influence of psychology on decision making. Decision making is the process of choosing between two or more alternatives. In everyday life, individuals are often faced with various choices, both simple and complex. Psychology play an important role in this process because the decisions taken are not only influenced by the information available, but also by the underlying psychological factor. Psychological factor that influence decision making. First, emotion. Emotion can influence the way a person assesses a situation and the alternative available. Some of the influences of emotion on decision making include first, positive emotion. When a person feels happy or optimistic, they tend to be more open to risks and new possibilities. For example, someone who feels happy may be more likely to invest in a new business opportunity. 2. Negative emotion. Conversely, negative emotions such as fear or anxiety can make individuals more cautious and avoid risk. For example, someone who feels anxious may prefer to stay in their comfort zone rather than make risky decisions. Next, perception. Perception is the way an individual understands and interprets information. Misperception or biases can lead to suboptimal decisions. Examples of perceptual biases include first, confirmation bias. The tendency to seek out and interpret information that support an exciting view or belief while ignoring information that contradict it. 2. Primacy and recency effect. Information received first or primacy or last recency is often remembered better and influences decision more than other information. Next, cognitive biases. Cognitive biases are systematic error in thinking that influence decision. Some common examples of cognitive biases include first, overconfidence bias. The tendency to overestimate one's own ability or knowledge, which can lead to overly optimistic decision making. 3. Anchoring bias. When individuals rely too heavily on early information received or when making decisions, even though that information may not be relevant. Next, social factors. Social influences are also very powerful in decision making. Some social factors that influence decision include first, social norms. The expectations and rules that exist within a social group can influence an individual decision. For example, a person may feel pressure to follow a group decision even if they hold a different view. 2. Peer influence. Decisions are often influenced by friends or peers, especially in a social context. This can be positive or negative depending on the context. Next, decision-making process. The decision-making process generally involves several steps. First, problem identification. It recognizing a problem or need to make a decision. 2. Information gathering. Gathering relevant data and information to aid in decision making. 3. Alternative evaluation. Assessing the various alternatives available based on certain criteria. for decision making. Selecting the alternative that is considered most appropriate. 5. Action is implementing the decision that has been made. And last, outcome evaluation. It is assessing the result of the decision made for future learning. Next, strategy to improve decision making. To reduce the negative influence of psychological factor on decision making, several strategies can be implemented. It is first, education and training. Raising awareness of cognitive biases and emotion that can influence decision. 2. Use of data and analysis. Relying on objective data and analysis to support decision, rather than relying solely on intuition or emotion. 3. Engaging multiple perspectives. Inviting others to provide input and different perspective can help reduce bias and improve decision quality. And last, creating a supportive environment. Building an organizational culture that supports open discussion and collaborative decision making. In conclusion, the influence of psychology on decision making is complex and multifaceted. Understanding the psychological factor that influence decision can help individual and organization make better choice. By implementing appropriate strategies such as increasing awareness of bias and engaging multiple perspectives, the decision-making process can be improved. This will not only result in the better decision, but can also increase satisfaction and confidence in the decision-making process itself. Okay, it's all explanation about the influence of psychology on decision-making. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.